I thought I'd just throw in a little bonus video for you guys here. Now that you're familiar with Alibaba and you know how it works and what it looks like, so that it's not overwhelming when you're just starting off, I'm going to show you guys how you can actually use Alibaba for product research and to get product ideas. So we're going to go to Alibaba.com and we're going to click on all categories, and this will open up a page where you'll be presented with tons and tons and tons of categories, just from everything to pendants and charms to just pretty much anything like in Amazon. Now what you can do is you can go through each of these categories, think of a category that you might enjoy looking in, maybe gifts, sports and toys. Let's try outdoor sports. We're going to click on that, and there you go, you're already presented with tons of ideas that you might not even have thought of. These are those blow up inflatable sofa things that we found earlier on in the course. There's a sleeping bag liner. That's pretty much exactly what we're doing. So this is a very good way to find other products. So just scroll through here, go to different categories and find things that you think might be interesting. We can try indoor sports and see what's there. Strong goose feather, badminton, aeroplane, shuttlecock. Okay, cool. You could sell sports equipment. So you can find different ideas for products here. It doesn't necessarily mean you have to go with a specific supplier. You can try other suppliers. This is just to get ideas. And then just search for that product on Amazon and see how well it's doing. See what the competition's like, and just go through all the criteria as before, but this is just to get cool ideas. So yeah, this was just a little bit of a bonus idea.